I can come back now?
Yeah.
Everybody come back and watch KK. She's going to put on a concert for us.
I'm listening.
All right, we're here.
No, not yet. Yes, of course it's here.
Come sit in here, Hayden. She's waiting on you, Hayden.
Hey, now I have front row seat.
Yes, I'm waiting for you. Logan, come down.
Logan, come sit in here. Okay, I'll get you some cake. And you come in here and sit, okay?
It's okay.
All right. All right, let's go.
Okay, guys, clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 8, guys. Hey, where's that heart
Because you accidentally pushed the button.
Yeah, just don't push that button. It's this button that you pushed on accident. There's nothing to do up here. What are you doing? Those buttons don't work.
Your guitar accidentally hit the button. That's
Yeah, it's this button right here that you pushed. So go ahead.
all. All right.
Play.
You ready?
Okay. Everybody, you ready?
You're ready.
You have to do like this.
Okay.
Now you have to do. After I had this.
On my head?
Yeah. You want a guitar?
No, I want a microphone.
A microphone? You can't have a guitar. I'll play the microphone.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Are you recording?
Here, read this. Okay? So you can see. Okay. Yeah, we got read it. We're gonna see too. You put a video now? Oh, wait. Is that yours? Okay.
Your guitar does. I can't put a song on?
Wow!
I'm trying.